There are several safety precautions to follow when an airbag explodes. Even if a vehicle has airbags, the occupants must wear their seatbelts at all times. If the driver is too close to the steering wheel, injury may occur. If the seating posture is not correct, the driver may be injured by the inflating airbag. Do not install a child restraint seat in the front passenger seat, as the child may be injured. Do not put any object on the crash pad, as the object may hit the occupant's body at high speed. Set up child seats in the rear seats, instead of the front passenger seat, to ensure their safety. Do not lean against the window, as you may be injured if the curtain airbag explodes. Do not hang a clothing hanger on a coat hook, as the hanger may bounce off when the airbag explodes.
Kia. Movement that inspires.